So, he spent all this time making a Christmas tree skirt box video and producing a nice, lightweight, collapsible Christmas tree skirt box. And then one of your smarty pants viewers comes in like he owns the place and leaves a comment that's so helpful. I can't believe I didn't think of it. It's so smart. Anyway, thanks Troy Diaz for the comment. So remember, when we're making this Christmas tree skirt box, we're using they're a couple of bucks for the hinge, sets of hinges that go in each corner that hold this Christmas tree skirt box together. And I actually talked about using the magnets as well, and that it didn't work out so well for me. Well, the hinges are great, but you got to keep up with the hinge pins. I mean, they'll still slide back in the hinge pin little loop there, but what if there's a better idea? What if there's an even better idea on how to put this thing together? Remember, it's non-structural. It's not holding up any weight here at the Christmas tree. It's just sitting under the tree around the base of the tree. So it's not doing anything supportive other than, you know, whatever stuff you add on it. So why do we need the hinges even? Troy Diaz had a great idea. He said he's been building these things for years and he uses Velcro. Velcro, okay? I mean, how easy is that? I mean, why didn't I think of that? But that's what this channel's for. How to. So when you're putting your Christmas tree skirt boxes together, remember, the plans are on Etsy. They're super affordable. Appreciate all the support from the folks that have purchased them so far. The plans are on Etsy on how to build this box, the perfect dimensions that you'll need, and just use Velcro right here in the corners. This little corner right here, it's it's every bit of ½ inch to it's probably about ½ inch wide, ½ inch wide material, and you can use a ½ inch strip of Velcro on each side and it just snaps together. How easy is that? And then it unsnaps back apart. Velcro wears out, put new Velcro on there. But it's so easy. No keeping up with hinge pins, no keeping up with anything else, just Velcro together. Thanks again, Troy Diaz, for that awesome comment. That's what this channel is about. Please leave your comments in the comment section below. Hit like if you like this video, and thanks Troy Diaz in the comments. See you next time. Thanks for watching.